Johar. I'm happy and proud to congratulate Santali Wikipedia on its second anniversary. I'm so amazed again and again at how much progress this Wikipedia has made over the last 2 years. I have been there on the day with Manik when it came out of the incubator. That was an amazing day. Today, this is 2 years in the past, and it's beautiful to see what has developed in those 2 years. How much good content has been brought to people from your community, in your language, in your script, and how you work together across 3 countries to form a strong community of Wikimedians that is doing amazing work. And I'm really looking forward to see more of this wonderful work going on in the coming years. Good luck and enjoy and celebrate today.
Hello everyone, Gyana here. It's second anniversary of Santali Wikipedia, another milestone. Congratulations to each and every person associated with this project. The enthusiasm and hard work of this community is really commendable. I wish everyone best of luck for the future. आउ स्पेशली ओडिसा रे जो मन रहउचंती आमे मिलिमिसे काम करछे बहुत भल लागुची आगु एंद काम करिबा आउ द्वितीय जन्म वार्षिक रे बहुत बहुत शुभकामना धन्यवाद।
नमस्कार, मोर ना चिन्मय मिश्र। मु जणे ओडिया विकियाली। ओडिया विकी प्रकल्प सहित जड़ित होगा मध्य 4 वर्षर ऊर्ध्व समय हो गलानी। 2 वर्ष तले सांताली भाषा रे विकिपीडिया भारतीय भाषा मानक भितर फर्स्ट इंडिजिनियस लैंग्वेज विकिपीडिया प्रकल्प भाव में आरंभ होता। आज यह 2 वर्ष पूरण होगी। अवसर में मु मोर समस्त सांताली विकियाली भाई भौणी मानक धन्यवाद जनइबाकू चाहिए, शुभेच्छा जनइबाकू चाहिए। आशा करुच्ची आपणकर अवदान एहीपरि भाव में आपण भाषा को इंटरनेट रे आगे नियथु। धन्यवाद।